Hi, do you have a plumbing emergency? Do you need a plumber for a repair job or an installation? Hunter's Plumbers and Heating Services are fully insured and gas safe registered for all your water and gas heating requirements. Central heating installation and boiler servicing and maintenance. All radiator and tank work, dodgy boilers and leaky pipes fixed. Call us now on 01777 888 999. Free estimates. No job too small. No call-out charge. Covering Doncaster and the surrounding area. Hunters, a friendly and reliable family business for all your plumbing and gas heating requirements. Call now on 01777 888 999 or visit our website.